me. Perfect, and give my helper a round of applause. That's everyone come in. Yes, this is the Great Hall, and it was one of the first sets to be constructed for the films, and one of the largest. The Great Hall stood for over 10 years in a soundstage, just over there actually. And as you can see, we are dressed and ready for the OWL, or OWL, examination seen in Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. And if you take a little look up, I'm sure you can help but notice Fred and George Weasley on their broomsticks about to cause some colourful chaos. But we'll get back to those two in just a moment, so please do keep coming in so we can shut those Great Hall doors, as they do create a fantastic photo opportunity. I'm sure you can help but notice Professor Dolores Umbridge, who's played by Mel Stilton, dressed in her sickly sweet pink suit. More fun facts about her costume during the course of the Harry Potter films: the colour of her costume becomes a darker and richer shade of pink, of course ending up to the one that we see here today. And if you take a look behind her, I'm sure you couldn't help but notice our mighty pendulum swinging back and forth live on set, and we've recreated this the exact same way as it was done live on set. The effect does include loud noises, smoke effects, pyrotechnics and fireworks. So if anyone does wish to leave the Great Hall, please do exit through the archways to your left whilst we demonstrate this effect. Guys, I'll do the next one.
Different things for it to see anyway. I don't know how much it costs, but well worth it.
Take it away! It's going to be a bumpy ride!
What did you say your name was again? I didn't. Well, whereabouts are you headed? The Leaky Cauldron. That's in London. You hear that, Ern? The Leaky Cauldron, that's in London.
The leaky cauldron. Hey, if you have the pea soup, make sure you eat it before it eats you. Mind your head.
Hey guys, why the long faces?
Yeah, so I'm doing the band and that was the nice thing.
Oh, thank you so much. It is indeed a Immobilus. So you're going to hear from Hermione in 3, 2, 1. Immobilus!
Why is it always me?
Indeed, Neville. Why is it always you? He's going to be asking that same question for the next 6 films or so, I think. But thank you so much, everyone. I hope you learned a little bit more about the Defense Against Dark Arts classroom and all of its mischievous pixies inside. If you
They got a store as well,